so it'd be like, my skies are brooding, bursting, feel it in the air. Yeah, sort of thing. Thunder, it sure rumbles over my pants, but I'm not scared. Lightning strikes in black and white, will split the sky open tonight. Drop by drop, now it won't stop. There's magic everywhere. Drop by drop, it never stops. Pounding down the merry-go-round. Drop by drop, it never stops. Pounding down the merry-go-round. Sorry, I don't really work well.
And then after this, back to the Mighty Skies again.
Yeah, and so then do it
Yeah.
proper,
Full.
yeah, full block.
Okay.
So let's try that again. So
First,
actually, as well, we've just finished on that sort of summer rain. Might need a. We'd have to start straight
we're not
away.
do that part, that interlude part, and then go softer, 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 and then transition to that.
Okay.
So you do the whole. Yes.
Actually, there was a way.
Whatever solo type of thing.
The skies are brooding, bursting, feel it in the air. Thunder, it sure rumbles low, and my heart pounds, but I'm not scared. Lightning strikes in black and white, will split the sky open tonight. Drop by drop, no, it won't stop, and there's magic everywhere. Now I should change. Okay, so can we go from lightning strikes?
Yeah.
Lightning strikes in black and white, will split the sky open tonight. Drop by drop, no, it won't stop. There's magic everywhere. Drop by drop, it never stops. Although, starting on drop by drop, it never stops would be quite nice as well. I don't know, because the last one seems a bit empty with just one chord behind it, the last line.
Yeah.
Drop by drop, now we always stop, there's magic everywhere. So I don't know whether we could do half, like that might be quite nice. So
Sort of like
so yeah. Drop by drop, now it won't stop, and there's magic. Yeah, we'd have to. Drop by drop, and it won't stop. Let's go from lightning strikes so we know.
okay.
No. Lightning strikes in black and white, will split the sky open tonight. Drop by drop, no, it won't stop. There's magic everywhere. Drop by drop, it never sort of question and answer thing, but we'll start off like you're doing exactly the same, and then I'll go like I just did, like up half, and then on the next one you go up to whatever harmony you want to go to, and then the next one I'll do. So we sort of like do this sort of cat and mouse type thing. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's go from lightning strikes again.
Okay.
Lightning strikes in black and white will split the sky open tonight. Drop by drop, no it won't stop. There's magic everywhere. Drop by drop, it never stops. Down and down the big one. Drop by drop, it never stops. Down and down the big one. Drop by drop, it never stops. Down and down the big one. Drop by drop, it never. And then we'd have to do that same one again.
The high one.
Yeah, so it would be like we're both here, and then I go like this, and then you go like this, and then I stay here while you're going up, and then you stay there while I go up to a different one, and then you go up as well.
I can only go to where my last one is. It's as
Okay,
high,
and then
as high as I can go.
Yeah,
Then
but stay on that one then, and then on the last one or whatever we'll
just yell.
Yeah. Okay. So lightning strikes. Okay. Lightning strikes in black and white will split the sky open tonight. Drop by drop, no it won't stop. But there's